I will talk about the HMI of this robot. We have these different buttons that select the position, the operation of the robot. As we can see, when I select one mode, the others are disabled, so I can't select anyone. And also the grades are shown in here. When I select the direct, the again the the degrees are shown in here, and the point of the final effector are shown in here between the axis X and Y. Also, the pen, to move the pen, we have to be manual and turn on or turn off the pen. Also, we have an emergency stop that if we click, then all the modes are disabled, so and no one can stop. No one will work until we deselect the emergency stop. Now we will show some degrees in manual mode that my partners will say.
Okay, first we're going to choose some of the pairs of angles that are given by the rubric of the project, and we are going to start with 0 and 0 for theta 1 and theta 2, and it is right there. As you can see, it has an error of about 4 degrees. Okay, so the next angle we'll show would be the pair theta 1 to 0 degrees and theta 2 to minus 90 degrees. So we'll play it. So here we can see the robot, 0 degrees theta 1 and minus 90 degrees theta 2. And as you can see in the HMI, the angles are the same that we are showing in the links of the robot, minus 90 and 0 for theta 1.
Well, the next one, it could be theta 1, 22 and theta 2, 23.
Well, as you can see, the error that we are seeing in the first link, that should be 22 degrees, we are actually seeing about 24, 25, so it's an error of 3 degrees. Okay, so the next pair of angles that we're going to show are the pair of 45 degrees theta 1, 45 degrees theta 2. So that's 41 theta 2, 40 and 45 theta 1. We can see here we have 45, the real angle is 48. So we have an error of 3. So now we're going to see the next pair of angles, which are theta 1 minus 45 degrees and theta 2 that is 0 degrees.
Oops.
So there is, we can see that the angle has an error of about
3 degrees.
3
The next pair of angles, it will be minus 22 in theta 1 and minus 23 in theta 2.
So now we can see here that the error is
in 20, so 2 degrees.
2 degrees. And if we look at the HMI, we can see that theta 1 is minus 22 degrees and theta 2 is minus 23 degrees.
So the next pair of angles will be theta 1 0 degrees and theta 2 90 degrees. So we can see now the angle is at 5 degrees, so we have a 5 degrees error, and in the HMI we can see the pair of angles.
Okay, the biggest error of angle we have is like 5 degrees, and we can't like really solve it because the shaft of the first motor has a lot of failure when going to one side or going to the other side. When we move it, like the momentum of the robot make it go further a little bit or stop it.
Yes, and as we can see, there is like this phenomena that is happening in the first motor that is not happening that much in second motor. So what we're thinking about is that maybe we can change the first motor so that we can reduce the error that we are seeing in most of the angles for theta 1. And that's all. Thanks for your attention.